Hello everyone, how are you? This time, we will learn about 3 magic words. What is it? Yups, they are please, sorry, and thank you. Let's we learn together.
At the lunch break, Mally is having her lunch at the cafeteria.
Hi Mally, can I sit here?
Hi Claire. Yes, you can.
Thank you.
I am sorry, I am having my lunch now. Do you have your lunch?
It's okay Mally, you can have your lunch. I already had my lunch. Phew, I got a bad morning because I forgot to do my homework last night.
How did you forget about your homework?
I felt so tired last night because I take another ballet course, then I didn't remember about my homework. Can you help me to do my homework at the library after school hours, please?
Sure, I can help you. After school, we will meet at the library.
Thank you very much Mally.
You are welcome Claire.
After school hours, Mally meets Claire at the library to help Claire does her homework.
Good afternoon Madam Giselle, how are you?
Hi Mally, good afternoon. I am fine, thank you. Anything that I can help you Mally?
No, it's okay Madam Giselle, I will meet Claire here.
Oh, she's already inside.
That's great, thank you Madam Giselle, I am going now.
Anytime, Mally.
Inside the library, Claire is on her laptop.
Hi Claire, how is your homework?
I am still trying to find something online. And I couldn't find some of them. Can you please help me Mally?
Of course, let me help you.
Please, read this book for me.
Okay, I will read this book.
I am on you Mally. Thank you so much for helping me.
No problem, Claire, that's what friends for.
Then they spend time together at the library.
Okay friends, we already learned about 3 magic words. They are please, sorry, and thank you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you on the next episode. Goodbye.